I'll be vacuuming the living room carpets with the Bissell Power Force Helix. This vacuum is cleaned out. The filter is cleaned. And see how much dirt will come up. guys how much dust that was in this floor. I mean, this is a lot. That is a lot. And this machine did a really good job. Filter, not as dirty. I mean, this machine is one of the best machines you can actually get. This thing does deep clean. I mean, it deeps clean better than the Dyson DC33. I mean, the DC33 just vacuums more towards it. Has good carpet grooming, but it doesn't really deep clean as the Bissell does. I mean, the Bissell, on the other hand, does a better job. I mean, if you've never seen how well these Dysons perform, they do perform good, but compared to the Dyson ball is way better than the DC33 for deep cleaning performance. I mean, the better agitation. The Dyson DC33 07 and 14 don't have that good agitation compared. This one here has really good agitation, and I'll make another video about it. This thing here, I mean, for its deep cleaning performance, for its price compared to other units out there, I mean, this is one of the best units you could pretty much get for its affordable price. This one's a cheaper version because it has the fixed hose. The hose does not stretch compared to the turbo and the turbo rewind. Are a little pricey for its. The only thing that's different, the turbo and the turbo rewind. Actually, the turbo rewind comes in 2 different colors. You can get this one in 2 different colors. You get the purple or the blue. The turbo rewind comes in, I think, is a turquoise and a green, but the turbo only comes in a red. I mean, for its machined and brush roll, and the brush roll is not original. This is a different brush roll. I mean, this is one you find on these old Bissells, but the suction part's right there. It's towards the middle a little bit. It's the only thing about Bissell compared to Dyson. I mean, if you never had a Bissell before, you only had a Shark. Well, Shark's towards the middle. I mean, you do get really good attachments for this machine. I mean, for its best cleaning. And I'll be right back. This right here you get with all the Bissells. This is a upholstery tool, but it's more towards a dusting brush than an upholstery tool. This is for not delicate surfaces. It's more for maybe if you're cleaning, let's say, not as delicate surfaces. This will work perfectly. It's not soft, but stiff. And for location, the Bissell Power Force Helix and Helix Turbo is on the side like this. The Turbo Rewind might have it towards the back because there's a rewind. You can still get the original Bissell. I mean, you can still find one. The Bissell upholstery tool slash dusting brush combo, and I do have one, so I'll get it. This is the one you find on the older original Bissells. It's a upholstery tool and dusting brush. This dusting brush is not recommended for delicate surfaces. For non-delicate surfaces, if you need to clean, let's say, crumbs on, let's say, counters and stuff, if it's not really as delicate, this will definitely work. This will fit newer Bissells also. You can still find older style Bissell attachments, but it will not work as an onboard attachment. It wouldn't fit as well. It's kind of slightly, because it's actually wider than this one, so this one will not be a onboard attachment. You can still find this one. Now, crevice tool wise, I'm going to be making a video about the Bissell vacuum so you can actually see it. It's going to be slightly longer than this one because you know what, this time we talk about the Bissell Power Force Helix and we can get for these machines, and there's other ones out there. So I don't want to make this one more towards me talking about. It's originally being me getting all the dust out, the carpet, dirt, not just really talking about it. So I'm making another video about it.